They told me traveling the world was expensive, but I proved them wrong. For the past few months, I've been exploring new countries, meeting amazing people, and living unforgettable moments, all for less than $50 a day. Let me show you how I did it. Welcome to Travel Smartly X. 1. Choosing smart destinations. The first rule of cheap travel: go where your money goes further. Instead of Paris or Dubai, I focused on places like Vietnam, Turkey, and Mexico, where $50 can cover a full day of food, transport, and even a cozy place to sleep. Research cost of living before booking. You'd be surprised how far your budget can stretch. 2. Flying smart flights can eat up your wallet fast. I used flight alert apps and searched in incognito mode to find hidden deals. Sometimes I even booked one-way tickets or flew midweek to save extra money. The trick? Be flexible. The world rewards flexibility. 3. Where I stayed. I didn't stay in hotels. I stayed in hostels, volunteered in guest houses, and even tried couch surfing, meeting locals who opened their homes and hearts. Not only did I save money, but I made lifelong friends in the process. 4. Eating cheap but local forget restaurants. The best meals I had were from street food vendors in Thailand, markets in Istanbul, and tiny cafes in Mexico City. For just a few dollars, I got authentic flavors and real culture. Food is a window to the country's soul, Sare, and you don't need to be rich to enjoy it. 5. Getting around. I walked almost a lot. I used buses, trains, and sometimes shared rides with other travelers. You don't need fancy taxis. Local transport is an adventure on its own. It's not just cheaper, it connects you to the real rhythm of the place. 6. Smart habits that saved me hundreds. I tracked every dollar using free travel budget apps. I carried a reusable bottle, cooked my own meals when I could, and always asked locals for cheap hidden gems. Little decisions each day saved me hundreds over time. Travel smart, not rich. Traveling on a budget isn't about being broke. It's about being creative, curious, and fearless. So if you think you can't afford to see the world, think again. Because I did it, and you can too. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Smartly X for more budget travel guides, tips, and adventures. Start your smart travel journey today and make every trip unforgettable.